All butterflies start off as eggs. They are laid by female butterflies on the plants the caterpillars will eat. Eggs can take anywhere from days to months to hatch, depending on the kind of butterfly. The first thing a caterpillar does after hatching is eat, which is why the eggs are laid so close to its food. Caterpillars molt as they grow, meaning they shed their skin like a snake. Caterpillars eat many times their own weight in food every day. This is stored as fat that they live off of while they change into butterflies, so they need a lot of it. When a caterpillar is fully grown, it stops molting and starts the process of becoming a butterfly, otherwise known as pupating. Once the caterpillar finds a good place to pupate, it changes into a pupa or chrysalis. Some caterpillars spin cocoons from silk to hide inside while they are a pupa, while others harden their bodies to become a chrysalis. The whole process is called metamorphosis. Once the metamorphosis is complete, the pupa emerges as a butterfly. Butterflies start out very soft and must wait for their body to harden before flying off. Once they can fly, it's time to eat and find a mate, and the cycle starts again.